Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Reddit privacy options including email controls, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up your Reddit privacy options, start by opening the Reddit website or app. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select User Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy and Security tab. Here, you will find various options to customize your privacy settings. Review the privacy section to control who can view your profile and your posts. You can choose to hide your profile from searches or set your posts to be viewable only by yourself. Scroll down to find the User Data section. You may want to manage your data settings to limit how your information is shared. Next, navigate to the Account tab. Look for the Email section to set your email preferences. Here, you can adjust how Reddit sends you notifications via email. You can choose to receive emails for things like direct messages, mentions, and updates from subreddits. Select or deselect any email notifications based on your preferences. Click on the Save Options button to apply your new settings. That's it. You've successfully set up your Reddit privacy options, including your email controls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.